Macropods are famous for hopping across vast plains, yet one creature broke the ancestral mold entirely. Meet the tree kangaroo. This unique genus radically abandoned the ground to claim the high forest canopy. They defy gravity, executing massive leaps between branches with the agility of seasoned arboreal acrobats. This lifestyle required a profound genetic shift, reversing millions of years of specialized ground-dwelling adaptations. Their evolutionary blueprint reveals a complex biological journey written directly within their surviving DNA. This is the true story of how a massive genetic leap saved them from prehistoric extinction. Millions of years ago, changing climates heavily altered landscapes, forcing early macropods into new niches. To escape fierce ground predators, their genomes underwent major mutations to enable vertical climbing. Natural selection shortened their hind limbs and gifted them with long, curved, needle-sharp climbing claws. They developed roughened, cushioned footpads, creating immense friction against slippery, moss-covered tree bark. Their tails evolved into non-prehensile counterweights, allowing perfect balance on impossibly narrow branches. Unlike land kangaroos, their ankle joints acquired unique flexibility, allowing them to walk backward down trees. Interestingly, they sacrificed parts of their trichromatic color vision to maximize sight in dim canopy lighting. Today, this incredible evolutionary masterpiece faces sudden destruction from unprecedented human activity. Severe habitat fragmentation is severing the vital canopy highways they rely on for daily survival. Isolated in small forest patches, their ancient genetic adaptations can no longer save them from starvation. Furthermore, illegal poaching pressures push their fragile, slow-reproducing wild populations closer to total collapse. Consequently, several distinct species are now classified as critically endangered by global conservation authorities.
However, modern genetics and local communities are combining forces to reverse this tragic downward trend. International scientists are actively mapping the genetic diversity of surviving populations to prevent severe inbreeding. Non-invasive genetic monitoring allows researchers to track population health without disrupting their sensitive habitats. Crucially, long-term success relies on the deep ecological knowledge held by local indigenous communities. Tribal leaders are establishing strict customary laws that completely ban hunting within sacred forest zones. Indigenous ranger networks patrol these remote regions daily, effectively neutralizing illegal poacher traps. Intensive reforestation initiatives are actively planting ecological corridors to bridge isolated forest patches together. These green highways allow separated populations to migrate safely, expanding their limited genetic pools. Because of these targeted conservation efforts, wild birth rates are finally showing measurable increases. This proves that their ancient evolutionary resilience can succeed when provided proper habitat protection. Ultimately, protecting the tree kangaroo safeguards entire ecosystems that stabilize our global climate. These intact primary forests protect critical watersheds, securing fresh water for millions of people downriver. Subscribe for more deep scientific insights. Click the link below to make a real difference today.